Alrighty. Let's make that a little quieter. Actually, you know what? Keep it up on this side and turn it down on my end. How's that for you guys? That should be good, yeah. Doesn't help that the song's ending, so it's tapering down anyways. Do, 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 do. I want chat. How do I get chat to pop up in OBS? I'm using Restream for the first time, so I can do Twitch chat. Hello, Dree. Alright, I'll just have to have this up. Along with, There we go. So I'll just have this here. I hope you're doing well. Okay. It's time. Main desktop. There we go. Alright. So the goal for today is get the character moving. I've had a Red Bull and a 3-hour nap today, so I'm hoping I can go for a little longer. The goal is to get the character moving around, jump in physics where I like it. And then I had an idea for the... Let me just get some of this going, because I'm going to just use some of the old assets for, like, the test assets I had for my other game. Load. How do I... Yeah, I've done 2D character, or like the 2D platformer character movement before, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I want to do that. I want to do the death plane. And then what's probably going to be one of the harder things for me to do, but I thought of it last night, and I think it would be pretty cool. Is having it where when the character dies... Why... Okay. I don't know why that's not there. Let's create a new folder. Assets, and then I can just copy and paste them. But to have it where when the character dies, his movement changes randomly. So basically what I want it to be is... sorry, I had a little raisin seed on my desk. What I want it to be is the character... Okay, this can move that way? No, this way. There we go. That's better. Sorry, still getting things a little set up. Have it where the character dies, and the way I'm thinking of doing this is just having it be like a random number generator. So have it be like 0 to 9. Have like 0 to 2 be... Wait, how would I want this? 0 to 9. 0 to 4 be... Add like a little bit of weight to the character because he'll have that backpack on. 5 to... No. Sorry. 0 to 3 be a little bit of weight. 4 to 8 be a lot of weight. And then 9 or 10 be drop a little weight. Just kind of symbolically of like when bad things happen for depression, there's this concept called cognitive control. And depression, there... Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Am I muted? I'm not muted. I'm an expert, don't worry. But there's this concept called cognitive control, where it's harder for people with depression to move from a negative experience to a positive one. And I want to kind of represent that, but also... yeah, I was thinking about it last night, and I think it should be fairly decent to make. But... it's probably still going to take me a while. Anyways, let's get these assets before I go on more rambles. Let's go puzzle game, assets, test death, copy, game jam, assets, paste. Oh my god. There we go. Puzzle game, assets, test background, copy, paste. Oh, that I copied the wrong thing. Hold on. Test it. That's the one I wanted to copy. Okay. Huh? What happened? Did I not copy it? Test it. Copy. There we go. Okay. And then we just need test walls. Test wall. I did make an idle animation in the spare time this weekend. There we go. So let me actually find out where those went. File, export as... I don't want it to be a GIF, though. How do I change what I want it to export? Export spreadsheet. There we go. Go. Idle animation goes in assets. Character running. File. Export spreadsheet. Export. Assets. There we go. Okay. And now there were no changes made. All right, so we got this. We got what we need. Go back here. Or let's open up Godot again. There we go. All right. So let's have view, texture. Test background. Open. Yeah, we can just have it be a bit larger than the border. Tile map, tile set, quick load, cancel. Okay. Load. How am I thinking to do the player movement? I mean, it has to be standard 2D platformer, so just left, right, and then gravity and jumping. I've done it before. I don't remember it being the most difficult, but we will see. Why does that not work? Huh? Oh, we're already running into an issue. New tile set on the Okay, there we go. All right, thank you. Knew there was a way to do it. I just couldn't remember what it was. And then sprite 2D. That actually should technically be an animated sprite. So we're gonna delete that. Okay. Add no TD animated. Create. So time to start the character movement tutorial. Again, it shouldn't be too hard. I know there's examples in like the game manual. So I'm not too worried. Physics and movement. There we go. 2D movement. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. Okay. Add one collision shape 2D. Okay. Hey, I'm okay with this. Create one shape to the collision shape. Okay. No 2D. Collision shape 2D. Right, yep. That goes under that, right? Okay, let me get the animated sprite in first. We'll just do not running. One character body 2D. Okay. Oh, and I deleted the children as well. Collision shape 2D. And the character body 2D. I'm missing it. Character body 2D. There we go. I'm gonna just put that under the node. This is one child, the character body. Yeah, thank you so much for doing this. It really helps me out. Okay. Oh, wait, I have it backwards. Collision as a child. Yes, there we go. Character body 2D. This sounds familiar. I'm just trying to kind of piece it together a little bit. One shaped the collision. Shape. No, I'm gonna want it as a square. New rectangle shape. Alright. It's not zooming in. Oh, because I'm being dumb with that. Okay, yes, this is familiar to me. Oh, I'm on scale, that's why. Just gonna drag this up here, because... This all does sound very familiar. Okay, yeah, now it's starting to click again. Again, thank you so much for this. Animator Sprite 2D. For right now. We're just gonna do... That's not right. Yes. Okay, this is what I remember. All right. Let me just scan this and make sure I'm all good. Trying to think of how I would change the, I guess, yeah, let's not get ahead of myself. Thank you for the focus. Click the animated sprite resource and then click on the down tab. Edit. That's not it. That's it. Duh. Is that it? That's it. There we go. No, I want it to be 32 by 32. Add 4 frames. There we are. Delete you. Okay. We're back here. So our character's just going to be running all the time. But that's fine. I'll figure out the script for, like, changing the sprite and all that later. Okay. Now we got to go back here. That is such a blurry image. Oh my god. Why is that so blurry? That's not right. Uh-oh. That's not what I want to do. Why are you so blurry? Click on texture and then change. Oh, texture, filter, nearest. There we go. I don't know why that's not. But oh my god. So we got not. We got a character. Hey, look at that. Collision. There. On the project settings, okay. And then we're just going to give him a little bit of extra headroom because he does bob up and down. Okay, so we got that. Why did you move only that? This is annoying. There we go. Why? Why? Why are you not? Maybe if I set it like that? No. What if it's like that? Jesus Christ. I'm just trying to move the character with the collision box. And it does not want to seem to do that. Never mind. It's doing that now. I was just on the wrong tool. I'm dumb. That's okay. And that's right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. So we're just going to move you there. We're going to scale you up. Oh, that's just the collision. Oh, great. Can I scale this up? And not do both? Whoa. Why? What? Whoa. I have no idea why that happened now. Okay, hold up. We're gonna... Oh, I can just do this. Transform. One. Lock that. And now if we go like 5. Where'd he go? Why'd he go all the way down there? Oh, because the character body is... That's why that was acting weird. Okay. And not 210, just 10. And now he's big. Too big. Maybe 5 was right. That's still too big. 2.5. That's better. I had the scale thing again. There we go. Okay. Transform. Scale. You can be 10. No, I want you actually to be 2. I'm gonna add the camera a little later. I just want to get the physics done first. So he'll just move around this box for right now. And I want to play with the movement until I'm kind of satisfied with it, and then I'll add that camera and he'll be good. Thank you for letting me know that the tile set was behind the background. Okay. Let's see. Let's go back to... Nope, now I'm on tile set, not tile map. Oh my god. Tile map. There we go. Let's just have some basic platforms in a room and have him move. And let's see how this feels. Okay. All right, tile set. Physics, not probability, physics. Physics! I want physics! I don't want rendering, I want physics! Why is it not popping up? It's on the inspector. The tile set. Tile set. Select the tile set. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know why I could not see that. Okay. But, oh, because setting controls would be nice. Also, it didn't look like gravity was working, but that's okay. Project setting, editor. Controls. Input map. Oh, is that not just collision? Oh, because now I need to go and... Yeah, now I need to go and do that. Physics layer 0. There we go. Okay. Now I'm all caught up. And still no movement. Oh, joy. Oh, where did the script go? Yeah, and now I need controls. Okay, so what are the controls called here? Input, UI left, UI right, and then UI accept is jump. Eh. I can always just change it. So this is right. You can move actually, but it's with arrow keys. Meh. Player L. Oh, cancel. Player L. Boom. And then jump to space. Okay. So then let's go. Player jump. Or is it just jump? It's just jump. So it's... a little concerning that that didn't pop up for the jump one. Why? Yeah, it's just called jump. There we go. I don't know why that didn't show up. Okay. Now let's save and load. Okay. Well, our guy doesn't jump high enough. I mean, hypothetically, we're going to be working on a very different scale. Also, let me add sprinting. Epic game, yep. I mean, it's the hello world of games, of 2D platformers. Get a thing in a box with platforms, see if it can boop and jump. There we go. We got something. The player is impacting the game. Okay. Now I want sprinting. If no var sprint equals input there we go. Thank you. Bar sprint equals input event. Sprint. Scope project settings. I'm gonna add sprint. Add shift. Okay. Thank you, Jurylar. Like, genuinely, you were so helpful. Like, having chat here, unbelievably helpful. Oh, I need the quotes, right? Probably need to get rid of these. Add a guess. Sprint. B times 1.5? Name input event called is could I technically have this under here? Can that work? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? That was too fast. Hold up. Meow, meow. And gone. He disappeared. Okay. Times 1.1. Let's start with that. Oh my god, it's not slowing down. It hasn't slowed down. Oh, because it's increased velocity? Huh? I see what did wrong. What I did wrong. Not 3,000. 300 times 1.1. Okay. We're good. So, why he had done that is because I had it as speed times 1.1, so it would change the speed to like 300 to what? 1.1, 301. And then it would change that 301 to times 1.1 and kept doing that until it accelerated so fast that in a frame he jumped out of the box. He was moving so fast where during a single frame he would travel the distance to outside of the box and not glide. Okay, that's fine. That's good. We like this. I am gonna change jump velocity to 500. Just so hopefully we can jump. Yeah, there we go. We're on platforms now. I don't fit though. Okay, let's change his size. I think let's change the size of absolutely everything here. Tile map. Let's go transform scale 1. And then erase it all. Can I erase in the 4? No. Okay, gotta make a new box that my guy can actually jump around and move in. And make a death plane. You got timeout? Just jump scared again? Where'd you go? What? Why? Why does Stream Elements hate you? I don't understand it. But I'm sorry. I'm going off of Restream chat, so this is the chat I'm using, so I did not see that. If I did see that, I would not have had you wait for 300 seconds. Anywho, let's go back to deleting this. Okay. And a box. You know, we'll do it like that. Have the ground have some texture too. And then just boom. 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 Delete that. Go there, 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 there. Oh, probably should make a wall here. My shift thing is not working. If you press shift, it goes in a straight. Yeah, now it's working. I don't know why it wasn't working before. There we go. That's too high. We'll do that and like that. There you go. Alright, now let's move around and see how this feels. Get it just for how big the character is. The character's a little too big. Gonna change his size to just 2. That's big enough. Although now he's very jumpy. Also gonna bring that hitbox down a little bit. Oh, yes, that's fair. It does not go back to 300. So, okay. Let's close out of you. Open up the script again. So I assume it's just going to be... Put one else. Oh. I see. So else. Speed equals 300. There we are. Okay, yeah. Thank you. So yeah, the jump is too high. How did I get stuck? Jump's too high. Overall, jump is too high. Let's go back to 400. And that broke everything. Why did that break everything? Oh, because of that. Yeah, now he's too fast, though. Okay, can't do it there. Okay, this is also just... My random platforms are not in a convenient space. Okay. How do I want to do this? So basically, I was thinking last night of how to make the movement more interesting, because I like the idea of the character's movement being kind of symbolic of like him carrying more weight or carrying less weight with him, just on the level of how depressed the character is. So I thought the Death's idea would be good, because it also adds in like... I saw a video a long time ago about how to make like character deaths fun. What was it? It used Super Meat Boy as an example. But what it was basically... What Super Meat Boy does is it takes the player, it collects the data of all their runs till you beat the level. So actually, we're taking a little detour. Let me open it up so I can show you.
Okay, that work?
I'll feed my dog.
Just
Want to make one cool platform mechanic. Godot gives you function, is on floor, is on wall, is on ceiling. Pretty good. Yeah, so I've done that before for like wall jumping, so I will have to do that. I think I actually did it differently than that, so it might be because I think I did it where like if wall is like left or right of the player, it's like on the wall so the player can wall jump. And then I had it where like if the player is on the floor, it like did the stall animation or something. Anywho, let me open up Super Meat Boy. I do speed runs for this game, so that's why I know this is a pretty solid example. But where's my controller? There it is. So hold up, I'm gonna have to beat a few levels first. We can't technically die yet. But if we like, is there an open saw here? No, there's not an open saw here. Where do we get open saws? Could have just opened up a full save, but okay, there we go. So you see how like he leaves that meat trail, right? And if you die, he explodes the blood, right? It makes it fun. And let's say you just die a whole bunch of times, right? You go like that, you go like that. Because it's a rage game, ultimately, right? That's what this is. And then you beat the level, right? And it shows you the replay of all of them. Right, so you get to see, like, it kind of adds a little bit of fun to, like, you know, you get to see the progress you made with all the runs, and it when you have a bunch of deaths in a row, it's pretty cool, actually. And I was thinking, what could I do to make deaths more entertaining? So what I want it to be is paint bucket boom. So what I want it to be is, you know, you get, let's make that bigger. Yeah, that's fine. I just want it to be bigger. How do I make it bigger? There we go. Okay. Not that much bigger. There we go. So you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a game of roulette, basically, right? So let's say you bet on 1, right? It's actually 3. All right, that's no fun, right? But the human mind is weird. So what it'll do is, if there's a chance for optimism, and this kind of goes against some of the cognitive control stuff I was talking about earlier, of how, like, with depression, you kind of focus on the negative. But let's say you bet on 3 and you get 3, right? And all of a sudden your $1 turns into, obviously this is fake, but let's say like $5, right? It's 1 in 5 chance. That makes it more exciting. So when your player dies, you're now playing a game of roulette, where, let's say, you know, you have it set up where right? There's 9. And let's say 8 and 9 is good. Rest of these are bad. Right? Bad. Sad face. Every time you die, there's a chance, and like, this is super negative, let's say, and this is just bad. So every time you die, there's this kind of sense of like, okay, something good can come out of this, right? And that's sort of to be also somewhat symbolic of like, you, when things happen, at least for me, like it can sometimes be a helpful moment to just reset. So with the player death, that's sort of what I want that to resemble. Why were you timed out again? Okay, hold on. Let me open up Stream Elements and try and fix this for you. Chappa. Settings. Okay. Okay, there we go. I basically turned off all the automod shit. Or at least the spam filters, so that should help. And banned words. There are no banned words. So hopefully that's okay. Should be fixed. Let me go into this. Did it do it to you again? Why do Stream Elements hate you? Untime out. What the hell? That's not good. That's bad. Okay. You should be back now? Are you back now? I'll wait and see if you reply. You've returned. Okay, good. It should be fixed now. I don't know what's happening. I think it just doesn't like the like if it's programmed or like the all caps for the timed out again. But those should be fixed. I am actually going to take a quick second to go feed my dog. So I will be right back. I am back. Why did the music stop? Oh, it didn't stop. So. Alright. So let's now... Hold up. Okay. So I want area 2D. So now, do I want to make? I want to make the death box, basically. So... Oh, I still have that open. Death box. I'm basically gonna do as one of the child players. Really? Interesting. That's not what I was thinking of doing, but I get it. I don't get it. You know better than I do, evidently, but let me go. Okay, game dev. Open this. I was gonna basically model it after the goal boxes from here. I think I'm gonna commit to that. So I delete that. Okay, area 2D. Okay. I don't know why that's... How the hell do you spell collision? Collision shape 2D. Great. There we go. Shape. Rectangle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna node if body enter. Character body 2D connect. And then okay, it didn't time you out again. I just wanted to double check. now I need to look at the script for the player. I'm trying to understand what you're doing with this 2D area. So, for right now, what I'm going to do is reload the level and just make sure it works. Yeah, basically. That's what I want to try and do right now. Because I've done that before for like a death plane and it worked. And I'm thinking I can add more complexity to it. Get tree. Okay, thank you. Knew it was something like that. Reload currency. So then let's say we put this here. We try it. And we run into it, and it reloads the scene. Good. Now, on to the hard part of it, changing the speed. So I'm gonna go to... Tree is basically game manager of your game. Okay, thank you. My dog's looking at me funny. What? Here's what I'm looking at. Random number generation. Set a 600B. This will give you deterministic results. Crossroads. So if I go here. And then that by 50% is between 0 and 49. Okay. So I want that to be by 10. And then if how do I get that number, though? How do I, like, call that number? Let's see. My watch is telling me to get ready for bed, but that's not gonna happen. What the hell is Aleph? Let me understand this. I'm doing some research. Okay, so I should... Got it. Var? Depression. Player depression equals. Was less than 3. I don't want that. Depress motto. I think you're writing it in the wrong way. Yeah, I don't know why it's giving me out. Unexpected, found indent instead of... Oh. that, and then... No. What's wrong? Oh. Okay, there's that. And that. Why the condition is to the depressed is 1. Hold up. Got it. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to fix this so it's less than 4. Or I think technically I could do 3 and that. Yes, okay. I know it's not defined. Plus 1. Why is the condition to the depressed is... I don't quite understand the question. So what I'm trying to do here is it generate on the if, it's checking if the depressed mod is 1. Oh, so I just want to get rid of that. No, I want to... Okay, got it. That's it. Okay, thank you. If depressed mod, then depressed player wanted that. Okay. Bar. The player depression. It is weird having a variable that's player depression. We'll do base 1. Do we do base 1? What does that change? It's not letting it happen. Oh, I see. Okay. Got it. Okay. Now I need to figure out how to have this impact the speed. I could set it to 1. And then, because I want it to impact both of those. Divide the speed, maybe? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But then... Shut up, I'm not getting ready for it. Oh, I do have to take my medicine. Oh, speaking of depression. What we can do is have that be a negative integer. Have that be minus 0.25. Speed times player the question. Oh, but that's gonna... That's not gonna work. Because that's just gonna do the multiple on the physics process. Oh, okay. I think that would work too, but that's not gonna... No, so I do want to divide. Okay. Because you're setting the speed there. Okay. Yes, so this is what... Okay. But I think hypothetically this should still work. If I move it up there. I don't think it makes a huge difference. I'm gonna try that just because I think it's less typing. 1, and then divide. Player depression. And add. Let me get a calculator just so I'm making sure I'm doing this right. I believe this should increase it. Yep, that's too big. 200. That's too much. So if we do... I don't know why I closed the calculator. 300 divided by 1.25. 240. That's still more than I would like, honestly. That's a weird number. Let's mess around with the player speed first. So let's play it with 300. Right, this is what 300 feels like. Oh, yep, that's... there is a death box there, I forgot. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, so that's what 300 feels like. Let's change that to 200. That's... I think... Oh, but... We have this, too. Let's set that to 2 right now, so we can see what that difference feels like. Noticeably slower. Because you're setting the speed there, I don't think it will... I think it would. Right, so let's test it. Alright, so hypothetically, the speed should not change. Oh, the sprint's slower because it's divided. Okay. Got it. Yeah, so the sprint's slower. But yeah, that works. I think, right? So let's see that movement. Then let's do... No, I think you're right. I don't think that changes it. Oh my god, that's so slow. Okay. Yeah. And if we set that to 300. Does this sprint not work then? Oh, because that's set to 200. So that's just dividing it by 1.5 and then multiplying it by 1.5. So yeah, that wouldn't... No, the sprint's still not working. You're setting the speed to 300 when you're not running. It will not work because the code before the physics just runs once. Got it. So if I remove that, and then we go again. Sprint's still not working. Yeah, the sprint's still not working. Because technically this should be 200. Will not work. A? I don't know why I overthought this, because now it works fine. Okay. No, that was a dumb moment by me. Sorry. Thank you. Okay. Dumb moments are normal. Yeah, I mean, I'm learning a new thing, so ultimately, it's gonna happen. Okay. Okay, so we have that working. Now, so this hypothetically, if I'm thinking of this right, it will run this and then run this. Right? But if it runs this, then this is gonna reset. Okay, this is where I thought it would get difficult. So how do I because if it resets the scene, then it's not gonna run that code. Can you make just the player respawn? Is that a thing? Respawn? It'll run, but the bar will be resetted. So it's not gonna work right now. I think it's the general gist. And I think if so you create one auto store and it auto load and store vars in it. You're speaking a different language to me. Autoload. There we go. There's one called autoloads. Yes. one scene or script in the past. Oh, okay. So okay. The var. Nope, for the physics process. Like there? Yeah, okay. So then we go here, right? Where oh, we didn't get it. 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 I feel like something has been done wrong. I should have hit it by now. There should have been a noticeable difference. Oh, wait. Oh. Now you can reference the auto load in other nodes with the name you created in the auto load. Oh, so does that technically just reference it? Yes. Okay, so I see those are different colors. Got it. Yeah, now it's crashing. That's not right. Why are you giving me an error? Put player depression, dot player depression. Pick the var from the auto load. No, the player depression is already one reference. I'm confused. I'm a little confused on what you're saying. So, oh my god. Why'd you push over the wall? My dog, hold up. My dog. And we have like this room divider because that's my girlfriend's desk over there. So my dog is over there. Just pushed it over. Why'd you push it over? That was unnecessary, my guy. Oh my god. Pets. What are you doing? You want to be free? Okay. Dogs have been released. Okay. How did he do that? He did that because he bumped it. And it's not a very heavy room divider. So it just kind of went. Not the first time that has happened, not the last. You're setting the bar with the same name that the auto load. So it's okay, yeah, that's what I thought you were saying. I got there, I got there. Okay, so then I need to go to project settings, auto load. Got it. Still not working. Still doesn't like that. Now that likes that. And these just have to be changed to that. All right, is that working now? No. Oh, because it has to have a thing to start out with. Oh, on ready. Now I can't move. Before the var. Okay. There we go. Why is it not allowed? Oh boy. Okay. It's not very too well written. I do not know what that means. um Oh. And it crashed. I think it still just didn't have... Oh. Okay. Hold up. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. So, project settings, auto load. Equals. How do I do this without... Okay. So we do that. Until we see a difference, I think. Hold up, my dogs are barking. All right, I'm back. Okay, you can check the variables on the remote tab and the nodes list. Okay. So I do that. Signals. How do I signal it? Node path. This is the signal? Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. So let's go here and let's finish off this. So if I'm gonna actually increase this. We're gonna say if less than or equal 4, right? Because it's gonna 0 to 9. That's how I have to think of this. So if depress mod is how do I do this? Wait. Elif? Oh, yes. You're right. There we go. I don't think that's right. How do I check to see if it's in between? I think actually, else if I think that's the right thing. Depress mod is less than or equal to. So 1 through 5. Right, so half the time it's just gonna go up by 0.25. So let's have it be so 4 and then 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. P depression. Plus equal. The code is not working. Yeah, I think I have to set it to... Let me just set up these ranges, and then I can move it around. And I'm going to move it to before the get tree reload. And then that should work. Hopefully. Plus 0.5. What? Oh, my number lock was off. Oh, so what I... Okay, hold up. Why is the cursor doing that? Cursor's being weird. Okay. So it needs to be... layer, depression, dot, T, depression, equals plus equals 0.5. And if I just do that here, that there, and then do an elif equals, not equals, depress mod is less than or equal to 8 I'm just gonna do that just to have it there as a nothing happens thing. Goes there. Minus equal. That should work, right? Is that not correct? Oh. Because you could technically just do that. Okay. And it crashed. Oh! Okay. Yes, because the else will just work. What is going wrong? What if we do this? We do this, does it work? It works! He's really slow. He just kind of keeps getting slower. Okay, so if we go project set. Oh, wait, no, it's not there. It's... Huh? How do I check it again? How did that menu get up there? Yeah, I'm trying to enter the remote. I don't know how we got there before. Oh, I need to have the game running. That makes sense. Okay. Remote. There we go. There it is. See, but I can tell it's changing. Because my guy is slow right now. Oh, he got faster. And he's slower. How do I see if it changed? Oh, there we go. It's 2.25. He is depressed. Right, and then goes up. Okay. So he's just getting real sad right now. We got the 0. Oh, and he's just keeps getting sadder. Okay, so we have to set a limit on this now. Okay, this is working, though. This is working. He's now at 4 depression. Oh, God. I'm thinking I should change this. I'm thinking I should change the odds of this happening. To 5. Oh, my God. He's so slow. Sorry, this is entertaining to me. Alright. Close that. Also, why is that wall... Oh, that wall is outside. That's why. Okay. Hey, those crystals. Come on. Oh my God. There we go. Now if I load it. Yeah, the wall's there. Nice. And he just keeps getting me depressed. Okay. So we... have our thing. So let's go to the code and let's change these. I think the most common one should be none. Then that should be 0.25. That should be 0.5. That should be minus... Oh, not minus 1. Minus... 0. No. Why does my num lock stop? Okay. And minus 0.5. Now let's see what this acts like. Newest version is 4.22. Interesting. I'll figure that out after stream. Why are you not doing the thing? There we go. Okay. So, you go away. Player depression equals 1. Let's go. Nothing happened. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay. I want to change the odds of this now. Oh, something happened. We got very unlucky. That's what happens. And nothing happened. Nothing happened. Happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okay. I want to change this. So if player depression dot p depression, just gonna set limits on this, equals 1. Then nothing. I mean, I guess I could technically just copy this again. Oh. No, because I don't want nothing to happen if it's... No, okay, so I see what I want to do. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to fix right now, is if the player is unlucky enough to get 0, I'm trying to set it to where 1 is the lowest limit, and like to set us highest limit. I don't know what that highest limit's gonna be, but set it there. And I think it is... I'm gonna try and butcher code this. Basically. So var Player depression. For people with depression, if P depression is less than 1, P depression equals 1. What? Oh, I could just... do that. I think half speed is fine. If P depression is greater than 2, P depression equals 2, not 3, 2. Okay, let's test this out. No. Player depression. So we're at 0.25. I'm just going to make it where the most common one is +1. So I can just test to see if this works. Okay, it is set to 2.5. I think I have to... do this. Yep, I just fixed that. Okay. No. Player depression. There we go. Now. Whoa. What is this? That can go away. Okay. And then Godot, I want debug mode. Nothing happened. So we're now set to 2. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I'm assuming this is it hitting the limit. So if I set it to like 1.5. Can I not change it from here? Oh, okay. That's fine. 1. Okay. So it's 2 now. So if I set that to 0, and change that to 2. Just make it less common to happen. Okay. Okay, it's now 2. Oh, it's only showing whole values here. Is that why? How do I get this to change so it shows... like decimals, too. Settings. Gotta be a way. It was showing decimals before. Yeah, that's player depression less than 1. That's player depression greater than 2. Set it to 2. This hypothetically should work. Yeah, like, I think it's working. I just want to be able to see it here. Yeah, see, like, that's slower. But it's not showing up here. So how do I get this to show up here? Project settings? So yeah, it was working before. So why is it not showing it now? That's weird. Okay. And is it? It's 10? Okay, I do have to go to bed soon. Actually, I should probably take my medicine really quick. I'm gonna go right back and be right back. And then I will be back and hopefully we'll be able to figure that out. And then once that's good, I think that's basically what I wanted for today. That was a lot easier than I was expecting it to be. Like, a lot easier than I was expecting that to be. But there we go. I am back. Remember to take your meds, kids. Okay. I think I need to have it open for me to edit it. Why are you not showing decimal points? Yes. I want you to show decimal points, though. Why are there no decimal points? That's annoying. Yeah, I don't think there'd be anything rounding it. Raw? Do I do raw? Is that how I get it to show up? Alright, let's test it out. No, this has certainly changed. This is slower. And slower. Nothing changed. I think it's slower again. Yeah, now it's set to 2. Why? How do I get you to work properly? God. Arrgh. It was... Am I correct in saying it was working right before? I'm pretty sure it was working right before. Oh my god. Why? Why is it being like this? Okay, I'll try that. I'll try that. Like that? Is that what you're saying, Dree? We'll make the numbers be decimals. Oh, I just accidentally did the wrong thing. Whoops. Okay. Okay. And now we do that. And we do remote. He disappeared. He went away. Okay. See, but like we know it's loading like the decimal points because we like that was slower. It's slower now. So you can tell like the player's movement is changing. I just don't understand what the problem is. I'm gonna also move that to okay, now it should be running. Nope, not running. Okay. Whatever. What is happening? I don't understand. Okay. Why is this being done? I am being dumb. Hold up. Doing stuff on my second monitor. Okay. I just want you to work and show decimal places. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I just close out of it, open it up, and then we'll be good. Maybe that's all it needed. And it's just being wonky with it. Okay, nothing changed. Yeah, let's see, that's slower though. Oh, I think it actually got faster. Yeah, that's definitely slower. Why are you not loading the decimal point? That was the setting? How did that change it? What? Now we're at 2. We're staying at 2. Staying at 2. Staying at 2. Okay, the odds, I think, should be better for it going down. Where you know what? Where at some point it should go down. We're just gonna sit here and just see if it goes down. Go down. Come on. It's not going down. But it was showing the decimal places, so that's good. Right? I'm gonna probably reload. Promote player depression. And spast. Less fast. No, it's not. But if we go do that, why? You know, I hate you. Okay, but I know it's working. So I should just really focus on what I want those odds to be. Right. So let's say we don't have it be, or we have it be 10. But we have this be like 6. So between 3 and 6 is up by 2.5. Between 6 and 8 is plus 0.5. Between basically just 9. So I don't want that. Let's make that 7 and that 6. To just continue to make the player adjust and make it more interesting. So dumb. Okay. 0.25. 0.5. Okay. 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. 0.15. Okay, so we got that to go down. All right, so the down one works. It works. So what if we set... How slow is 2? That's pretty slow. I don't want it to be much slower than that. I think that's good. I'd like the animation to work. It's not gonna work. Trying to figure out how to make the animation work. Man, I've been almost live for 3 hours. You know what? Let's put this away. I'm gonna put this away. I'm going to open up this. We're going to work on this. Insert. Here, 4x7 table. So goal Progress. Date. Progress. Date done. Notes. So I want this to, so let's say the goal is game design document, progress. How do I enter in like the drop down menu? Because if we go to view, where's the game design doc? Somewhere in here. What did Stream Elements even time you out for? What? Hold up. Okay. Trying to remove your timeout so it'll reset. And then what I'm gonna do yeah, probably a bot. I'm assuming a bot. 10-minute timeout. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that should work. Yep, see now I got bots there. How in the world? Yeah, okay. I just need tools. Game Jam? Game design document. There we go. This is the sample game design document. It's far fancier than mine. How do I do you? What if I copy? Paste. What? I don't know. How do I paste? Cancel. Whatever. Oh, there we go. Oh, so this should be... Okay, got it. Wait, hold up. So I will get rid of notes. Date done. And then... category. So game design document. Not running. Not running. Art. Nah. Idle. Art. And then we will do... Probably gonna end stream after I do this. I don't know if you can hear my girlfriend. Okay, that's coding, basic controls, and then variable speed. Alright, there we go. So date done, that is 6/12/24. That's that. Idle animation, say was 6/8/2024. I think I did it on Saturday. My last stream was it a week ago? Might have been a week ago. So yeah, the Game Jam has a theme of mental health. So let me here it is. So the general theme so this is basically, I don't know if I really want to focus it around COVID-19, but incorporating I have persistent depression, so incorporating that into the challenges part of this. So that's why I have like the variable part of it. And then also, like obviously the mental health focus. So I want to at some point create like little pop-up messages or like dialogue options and stuff like that that will kind of also teach the player a little bit. But I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. It's been I think just over 3 hours? No, just under 3 hours, but I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you for stopping by and for your assistance today. And I'm gonna head out. Peace.